I love that. If I get an email from Buydeem asking me if I want to review one of their appliances, I'm going to jump in and say yes straight away because their stuff is top notch. Trust me. I reviewed their food steamer. I've had that for about 5 months now. Does a fantastic job. I've been using that nearly every single day. If you want to check it out, link below. Amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using this. Never used it. Tea maker. I've just used a kettle before. But this looks amazing. I'm excited to actually use it, and I'm going to make some nice, simple green tea. Flavored it up, lift it up a little bit, bump it up. Excited. Oh yeah. So let's see what this can do. It's got 5 tea options: black, herbal, oolong, white, and green, which I'll be using later. Because different teas require different temperatures and steeping times, this tea maker is specifically designed to bring out the aromas and flavours of your favourite blends. It's a perfect machine for tea lovers. In addition, with different temperature settings, it allows you to DIY many beverages, even soup. The infuser is large enough to put as many tea leaves as you like. It's very easy to clean and it looks beautiful and stylish. Also, even if you add a small amount of water, the tea is easily soaked, with FDA certifications making it more safe to use. Beautiful brushed stainless steel finish and smooth lines, making this machine a pleasing addition for those who seek function and beauty in their kitchen appliances. It's got a boil button and a stop and off button. Good quality German glass, which I'm impressed about. Cups and ounces are marked, and on the other side, millilitres. It's also got an automatic keep warm feature and an auto shut off. Okay, let's make some tea. I'll be using some green tea, lemon, ginger and lemon balm, which is amazing in tea. So slice a bit of ginger, skin on, it doesn't matter, and a couple of slices of lemon. Turn the lid onto the close position, press the green tea button, and it will boil to 175 degrees. When it's reached 175 degrees, the button will flash. Add the tea to the infuser, insert the infuser, place the lid back on, now press the same button to steep. When finished, the button will flash. Now add the lemon balm, lemons and ginger. Give everything a good stir, add back the infuser and the lid. Smells amazing. Smell that ginger and smell the lemon balm. Gotta try. Oh yes. Perfect temperature, 175 degrees. It tastes absolutely beautiful. And the great thing about this, it comes with 20 tea recipes, from hot teas to iced teas. The flavourings are endless. You can make up your own teas like I did. Amazing. If you're a tea fan, I highly recommend you getting one of these. All the information is down below if you're interested. Get one, trust me. The one thing I will be doing is replacing this. Getting rid of my kettle and putting this little beauty here.